Hi, Assalamu alaikum. This is Munal Hashimi from Healthy Delicious Sweets. I've come today to talk to you about allulose. Allulose is the sweetener that I use in my baking, in my cakes, in my cookies and sweets at home, and for I sell as well. I use this brand. It's called Allulose actually, and it's a 0-calorie sweetener. It is tastes like sugar, and you can bake with it just like sugar. You can caramelize with it, you can make meringues with it. It acts just like a sugar, but it has 0 calories, 0 spike to glycemic index, so it's perfect for people with diabetes. And what else can we find for? It's keto friendly, diabetic friendly. As it says here, it says allulose is a rare sugar that occurs naturally in raisins, figs, and other foods. It has virtually no calories. It has a glycemic index of 0, meaning no impact on blood glucose, and tastes similar to sugar. Simply subtract grams of allulose from total carbs to get your net carbs. That's what you would need to know how to do when you're counting your keto, your net carbs when you're doing a keto diet rather. You're not supposed to use this on a carnivore diet because it is plant-based, but because it has virtually zero carbs in it, then it will work with it, though it is not supposed to be in it. Okay, there's no erythritol in it, which I don't like the taste of, and it's non-GMO. So this is what I use. Okay, now another interesting fact that they've learned recently. I mean, I only just saw the video this month, a week ago maybe, and they said that they did an experiment on mice first, and then they did it on people, and it worked the same with people as well. That the more they gave them allulose, the more they actually lost weight. There was immediate weight loss response. The allulose would cause the stomach fat to be excreted. Sorry about that, but that's what happens, and it's a good thing. It's not a bad thing, and so it's the only sweetener that I know of, or has been found so far, to actually give a direct weight loss in using it. It's a good alternative. And you'll find if you taste my sweets, that will taste just like the sugar, the recipes using sugar with it. So I hope you do visit my website and try out my sweets. I'm sure you'll like them.